Hi, I'm Sydney with Keystone RV, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the Dream Dinette. One of the cool things about this is that there's no leg obstruction. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to put it back down. Simply move the cushions, unlatch the safety lever, and push down. Another cool thing about this is that you can move the cushions to make it double as a bed. Now let me show you how simple it is to turn it into a dinette. Simply move the cushions and pull up. And then lock your safety lever. Sometimes dinettes can be tricky, but the Dream Dinette was designed for every user in mind. From the mobility impaired to moms wrestling with kids, the Dream Dinette is just another reason why Keystone's the leader in innovation.